In this video, we will be showing you how to replace your ignition coil on your Audi Q5, located in your engine bay. First step you'll need to do is remove your engine cover. To loosen our ignition coils, we will need to remove our T30 that is holding down the bracket. Push this off to the side. To disconnect the harness from the ignition coils, we will need to remove the tabs from each one. This whole part will come off together. I am using an angular pick to get in behind and push it down. Same with the other ones. After you loosen them up, gently pry it down. And now we can remove the coil. Now we can install our ignition coil. Push it down to make sure it's fully seated. And then you are going to angle it in. Listen for the click on each coil. Now we're going to reconnect this line. If your metal bracket fell off, just reconnect it. Now we can secure it down with the T30. Now repeat this process for all the other spark plugs. To reinstall the engine cover, you'll notice that you have a few holes that will line up to each of these tabs. Line up the oil cap cover. And gently push down each corner. Now you may check and clear the codes on your vehicle and take it out for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.